name is Steven Charles from Reliance Foundation Young Champs. People in the footballing world call me as Steve, or Steve Charles, you know me more as. And we are here today to conduct a football clinic come scouting workshop for kids who are born in 2013. Along with that, we have Felixson, who is our academy graduate from Goa, and he's gone on to play for UFC. And the part of the training session is also for kids to experience and play with a seasoned pro. How does it feel like? He's still young. Felixson is still young, and boys can totally relate with him as to how a professional conducts himself on the pitch during training sessions and how he behaves. Completed 10 years since inception, and it's quite quite a special moment for the academy and the organization as a whole. Over this journey, we've had a lot of players join Young Champs and graduated. We are total 40 players who graduated from Young Champs and who are part of the Indian football ecosystem in different levels, whether it's ISL, I League, Second Division, and also players who've gone on to play for states for their respective schools.
Now that talking about our scouting, so this is something what I say is like there are so many tournaments going on, like inter-village, inter-ward
Yes.
tournaments in Goa, and specifically. So, is there any plan to scout from that places like this tournament, some place?
Yes, a bit. Give you a bit of gist about what our scouting network is. I think we're the only academy in the country who have 22 regional scouts operating all over the country. That's right from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, with complete length and breadth. All these scouts are contracted by us, and they are responsible to look at local tournaments, not only specific tournaments, but also visit maybe for in Goa inter-village tournaments which are for kids, the Goa leagues, and also other tournaments, and visit academies in person. And we've had a lot of players in the past from Goa who've gone on to graduate. Nathan Rodriguez being one of them, who's playing with Mumbai City currently, and Narendra Nayak, again with Odisha, graduated last year and was in our system since a long time. Now is we have about total 21 players. These are the players we have also seen last year, and this season they'll be eligible for scouting in Young Champs. So these are kids born in the year 2013. Uh, this is this is one session, but we are going to evaluate them over the next 8 months. What will happen is we will keep adding players to this group and keep calling them in 2 months or 3 months to see how they've progressed in a training session.
You see, in Goa, there has been a lot of fever, means a lot of liking towards football. People are participating. Many clubs are also like into football games. And that's now you have said that your institute has been training new scout, young scout in a football game. So how do you all over India? So how do you see Goa ranking in that?
I mean, it goes without saying that Goa is one of the hotspots of Indian football. Whether you see from the past and to the present, the existence of all the high-profile clubs back in the I League and now also a club in the ISL here, it speaks volumes for itself as a region, and it has a lot of talent because I think football is the main sport played in every corner of Goa, and there is huge potential towards our understanding in terms of young players coming up and going up to represent club and country.
Few all of the coaches are training. Can I get the names?
In
Now, this particular thing.
Right now, I'm leading the session along with Felixson.
Ah.
So we are two of us ensuring that the training session runs well. We also have a regional scout, Tesli, who is responsible for scouting in Goa, and he is the guy who's tasked to look for talent in Goa and then bring them together. And with Young Champs coaches, now it's me to come and do the training session.
When you graduating, overall your experience, face the camera.
In Reliance, the facilities, the coaching staff, everything is good. They take care of everything, the football team, they take care of everything, and even the studies wise, they see everything. And the facilities, the staff, the training ground, the pitches, everything is very good.
खंयच्या year pass out झालो तू?
I was passed out in 2022.
तुझे आता सबऑर्डिनेट हांगासर म्हणजे जे कोण यंगस्टर्स हांगा स्काउट शिकता हे करता, हाऊ डू यू सी दॅट this coaching given provided by Reliance Foundation and the institution will help them in grow in this field?
Football is not only about on coaches. It's on like the individual players also, like how they want themselves to see forward. It's not like you should be like focused, hardworking, and always like give 100% while playing, and you should have that aim to go higher.
Earlier, you are the which clubs or schools or college you played for?
Before Reliance Foundation Young Champs, I was in GFDC Residential Academy in Madgaon. So I was there for 2 years. After that, I went Reliance Foundation Young Champs. So I stayed there for 4 years, and then I joined BFC.
You said education meaning? The education in what?
Education, like in studies wise, they take care of everything, like your school work and all everything.
So that means you are building up your careers in both the sides. Is that both the sides? Is that?
Yeah.
From which part of Goa you come from?
I'm from Goemkarponn.
And your name?
Felixson Fernandes.
You want to have some.
So first, हांव Don Bosco Pope Jones Clown येतालो. So थिंग हांव स्कुलाटी मेळटालो. सो थिंग मागीर GFDC सेंटर आसतालें, सो हांव ट्रेनींग करता थिंगा. सो थिंगसान हांव GFDC रेजिडेंशियल अकॅडमी सिलेक्ट जालो मारगांव. सो थिंगा हांव 2 वर्स रावलो, आनी थिंग पासून स्टडीज दे यूज टू टेक केअर एवरीथींग GFDC अकॅडमी. सो थिंगसान आमी फ्रेंडली मॅच खेळपाक गेले रिलायन्स यंग चॅम्प्स. 2 फ्रेंडली मॅच खेळलोले. सो थिंग ते म्हाका चोयलो, आनी थिंग चोयन मागीर ट्रायला आपयलो 1 वीक. सो आय वेंट फॉर ट्रायल, आनी मागीर हांव थिंग सिलेक्ट जालो. सो थिंग सिलेक्ट जावन आय स्टेड देयर फॉर 4 years. मागीर थिंगसान BFC जॉइन जालो 3 years.
तुगे बरोबर आनी गोंयकार कोण आसले तुगे बॅचेन?
इन माय बॅच आनी एकलो आसलो नेथन रॉड्रिगीस म्हणून फ्रॉम आरामबॉल. तो आतां मुंबय सिटी खेळटा.
तू केस कंपेयर करता ते अकॅडमी कंपेयर विथ अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड? हाउ द स्टँडर्ड ऑफ द अकॅडमी केस?
द स्टँडर्ड इज रियली गुड.
कोंकणी
स्टँडर्ड बरो आसा अकॅडमीचे. दे टेक केअर ऑफ एवरीथींग, आनी तेंगे लायक दे सी प्लेयर्स इंडिविज्युअली, न्यूट्रिशन वायज आनी मेंटल वायज, सायकोलॉजी वायज एवरीथींग ते सगळे चोयतात.
तुका आतां हो रिलायन्स फावंडेशन सपोर्ट करता पळय, आतां खुबशे फुटबॉल जे स्पोर्ट्स एन्थुजियास्ट आसा तांच्या भितर तूं बऱ्यापैकी फेमस आसतलो. तुका कसो रिस्पॉन्स मेळटा ओवरऑल वेन यू गॉट इन टू दॅम? तुका आतां ओवरऑल तुज्या लोकॅलिटीन जावं नियर बाय जे फुटबॉल एन्थुजियास्ट जे यंगस्टर्स आसा तांच्या कडल्यान तुका कशें रिस्पॉन्स आसता, जावं दे लूक अप टू यू?
लायक सगळे लायक इन विलेज पासून सगळे हॅपी आसता तेन्ना म्हाका चोयल्या. लायक ते म्हाका म्हणटात की तूं बोर आहा पयस वचून फुटबॉला उरला. सो ते बोर म्हणटात तशें. आफ्टर आम RFDL जिखलोले विथ बेंगलुरू. सो आमी लंडन गेल्ले. लंडन थिंगा आमी नेक्स्ट टुर्नामेंट खेळपाक गेल्ले. सो थिंगा वी प्लेड अगेन्स्ट लेस्टर आनी नॉटिंगम फॉरेस्टाक खेळलोले. सो ते एक्सपिरियन्स बरो आसलोले. द प्लेयर फिजिकॅलिटी वायज बरो आसलोले, आनी आमकां जायती शिकोवंक मेळ्ळें थिंगच्यान. तेंगे फॅसिलिटीज बी चड बरो आसलेले. क्वॉलिटी वायज डिफरन्स आसता. ते लायक 24 hours फुटबॉलाक आसता फ्रॉम यंग एज. आमगे तें हें ना फ्रॉम यंग एज चड धाकले आसा ते फुटबॉलाकू उत्ताय. आमगे तशें करून आसना. सो ती क्वॉलिटी वायज मातशें गॅप आसता. आनी फिजिकॅलिटी वायज आमगे फिजिकॅलिटी वायज ते तशें करून आसना. तेंगे थिंग नॅचरल आसता. सो ते फिजिकल वायज बरो आसता. क्वॉलिटी कितें आसता फॉर यूथ सेटअप पासून तेंगे ग्रावंड क्वॉलिटी लायक सिनियर टीमी आसता तशी पण तेंगली थिंगाय आसता यूथ सेटअपा बी. लायक फूल ग्रासा पीच आनी तशें करून क्वॉलिटी आनी चड बरो आसता. ते मेंटेन करता ते भशेन.
Workshop चलता which is a Reliance way. Okay, so these boys परतून तांकां आपयतले and they will go through this selection process. It's a process. Now this is a very good thing what Reliance have done. So the boys when they come they don't feel nervous and all. So now they know how it will be the real selection when they will be called for the exclusive selection which will be held in Goa in next year. All right, and now from this lot they will going to select a student, a player student, and from there he'll be graduating in the Reliance Foundation in Mumbai. Another thing was when I joined the job, they had said about all these things. So I had requested, maybe please come and watch what is going on. So they really took me, the Reliance walk. They showed me the academy. They showed me the ground. They let me stay how the children are staying. They let me meet the school heads, what is the school process and all. And there I was satisfied. I said, okay, this will be a good thing for our boys as well in Goa. 22 players called. Mostly they are playing for the clubs. If you go to see, they're all from different clubs.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.